got tendency to sleep with every guy you meet. Be careful before you end up 6 feet deep. Then you wonder why you're not relationable. But you keep making yourself available. Now you have a stench that soap and water can't fix. Like Tupac, you wonder why they call you bitch. Well, I am the messenger. And I really don't care if you get offended, because sometimes the truth hurts. You say you want a good man, but you gotta be a good woman first. Take care of your own responsibilities. Stop blaming all that you don't have on your tendencies. You should want a man that connects with you spiritually beyond physical attraction, because that will cause a distraction, causing adverse reactions. Your flesh is weak. You should rather him take the time to stimulate your mind, smoke some trees so y'all can unwind and just chill. If you take sex out of the equation, then you know if it's really you he's been chasing or just your time he's been wasting. You should want to know his favorite food, his favorite color, what's his favorite song by Stevie Wonder. Does he have a good relationship with his mother? Does he prefer the First 48 or New York undercover? Or is it just under your covers he wants to be? See, these are the kind of questions you need to ask, you see. Because if you don't, you'll be saying shit like, I've been telling you what I need. You didn't volunteer, so I guess my cry for help you didn't hear. Calling me late at night saying how much you miss my soft kiss. But when I said I needed groceries, you changed the subject real quick. Brother, I have bills to pay, 3 children to feed. If you can't help, then back to my loneliness I grieve. I can't have a wet ass giving you pussy like you purchased a season pass. When I need your help, you expect me to ask. You need to volunteer instead of ignoring what you hear. See, I can do just good by myself. Sexually, I can please self. So your involvement with me has become bad for my health. Because as I struggle, you only want to cuddle. As I cry, you're not even concerned about why. I'm not a gold digger, but I'm tired of hearing about your 6 figures. And when I say, baby, I'm broke, you just clear your throat and act as if I never spoke. Don't discuss with me your present salary if it's not your intent to share with me. Stop telling me that you got my back when I ask for your help. You appear to be having a heart attack. Filling my mind with fairy tales, hoping the idea of your net worth would reach my head, causing it to swell. If you got it like that, I sure can't tell. Because when I said I needed gas to get to work, you didn't offer, only advised I looked real good in my skirt. No longer if I wonder if you'll say, baby, don't worry about the bills you can't pay. Let's put our incomes together and we'll both survive this way. My sisters, we keep falling for the bullshit that brothers spit. So tell them I need mind stimulations, not just verbal manipulations to get below my waist for sensations. Intelligent conversations, not just fly-by-night relations. Motivate my mind, don't waste my time telling about what you would do if you were mine. What is a sister to do when all I hear is ooh-bop-de-boo about shit you've been through? Not once have you gotten to know me or have the capability to finish my sentences subconsciously. You know, like getting to my psyche. Do you know what it takes for me to reach my peak? Brother, what are you able to teach? Are you able to identify the things that make me weak? If you did, then you'd be able to see that I'm a flower that needs to be watered on a daily. You'd call me by my name instead of baby. There'd be no question whether or not I was your lady. Mentally connect is where we be. A happy couple is what the world sees.